Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve this expression x to the power x equals to 5 to the power x plus 25. Okay, x to the power x equals to 5 to the power x plus 25. First we separate 5 to the power x plus 25 into 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 25 because 8 to the power m plus n equals to 8 to the power m into 8 to the power n. Now our expression will be x to the power x equals to 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 20. We are going to divide both the sides by 5 to the power x. 5 to the power x and 5 to the x is cut it down. Now our expression will be x to the power 5, x to the power x upon 5 to the power x equals to 5 to the power 20. Here, x upon 5 whole to the power x because e to the power n upon b to the power n m equals to a upon b whole to the power n. So, now our expression is x to the power 5 whole to the power x equals to 5 to the power 25. X upon 5 whole to the power xy. X upon 5 whole to the power x equals to 5 to 5. Divide the powers by 5. Divide the power of both sides by 5. X power 5 whole to the power x to the power 5. X upon 5 equals to 5 to the power 5. Here we look at x upon 5. Power is x upon 5 and both the sides have same exponent power. X upon 5 is compared with 5 and now our expression will be x equals to 25. This is our answer. Thank you for watching this video.